So in addition to the standard public cloud deployment model, we're talking about three models out here. The first is hybrid cloud, second cloud on the edge, and third a multi-cloud environment. So let's understand each of these cloud model in detail. So basically, what is a hybrid cloud? So hybrid cloud is a cloud computing environment where workloads run on-premises as well as public cloud. Now the on-premises itself can be a private cloud. And typically organizations having existing on-prem investments usually adapt a hybrid cloud approach to modernize their existing infrastructure. At the same time, create cloud native applications that can be deployed virtually on any cloud. This model is also adapted by organizations, particularly where customer data cannot go outside the geographical boundaries due to various legal and regulations requirements. The cloud on the edge deployment model is basically a cloud computing environment where data and compute is located closer to the end users. Now, with 5G and IoT gaining momentum, in future you would see new class of applications which require new set of requirements. For instance, near real-time decision making, ultra low latency streaming requirements, virtualized and 3D experiences, and the whole notion of collective intelligence. And in order to realize this vision, edge computing in particularly will play a very significant role. So industries needs to be agile and be prepared for such kind of transformation. For instance, if you go to a mall shopping in future, you would basically use digital mirrors to try out outfits. You'll have fashion advisor bots recommending you apparels based on your persona, and all providing basically real life experiences. Similarly, if you look at the way the entire education industry has been transformed because of this recent pandemic, in future also you will see new class of education applications coming up, which will be more interactive, more immersive, and provide a 3D like experience for students for their online learning. So multi-cloud environment is basically a cloud computing environment where cloud applications are running on multiple public clouds. For instance, applications can be running on a Google Cloud as well as any AWS cloud. And a multi-cloud approach provides flexibility to enterprises to run workloads on virtually any cloud based on various preferences. For instance, affinity for a customer, for a particular cloud vendor, the choice of cloud location, disaster recovery, various cost factors. Using an affinity for a particular cloud service, and at the same time being cloud neutral and agile. And in my view, a multi-cloud approach will be adapted by many organizations from a strategic perspective. At the same time, they would start creating cloud applications that can be virtually, deployed on any cloud.